What's up?
Look at this bang bus.
No, only that I got electric.
What the?
Oh, look at the back.
Ooh,
Oh, we got armrest.
he's so fancy.
Damn. Where are the TVs? Oh.
Right in front of you.
哦，啊，我今日出嚟食。I'm not sure that is. 你飲啖 green leaves cafe 咯。哦，look at
And there's curtains?
Gotta be one, right?
Yep.
You said it's the bang bus.
Here's a bang bus.
Oh, the sunroof. Dude,
There you go.
floor is holy crap. The floor is crazy. What the hell? It's Matty had made for him.
我嗰度食。
You throw another row of seats in there then if you needed to, right?
That's crazy.
Where's the rails on that?
There you go, right there.
Oh my god.
Where's the footrest? Hey everyone, just a quick little video. A few members of DO9K and myself are planning to go Formula 1 Montreal, and just kind of planning out over the last few weekends on what we need to pack, what we're gonna do, when we're gonna meet up, etc, etc. And just I've had this gift for one of my friends for quite some time, and his birthday is not till September, so it's quite a bit of a jump. But I think coming on to this trip, he is a sneaker guy, so coming on to this trip I had a sneaker bag, and I think it's probably worthwhile to give his gift early. So that being said, Derek, if you're watching this, I got you a sneaker bag, buddy. Just for you guys out there, just curious to see what it is. Got it off a guy locally. It's a sneaker bag here. Fairly small, but it can carry 4 pairs of shoes. If you guys aren't too familiar with this bag, it does have Velcro straps inside it, and then you have these inserts here, and you kind of just stick them inside and kind of separate between all your pairs of shoes. So I think this would be really good for his carry-on or something like that, or if you are into sneakers, going to the sneaker conventions and stuff, it'd be really cool. So I figured this is probably the perfect gift for him, but given it's summer season, going to Formula 1 Montreal, it should be interesting. I think he'd really benefit from this. So, all right, Derek, given the circumstances, this is your early birthday gift.
Very early.
Very early, by like 3 months.
Just do it. Open it now.
Yeah, go for it.
This is very early indeed.
It's within reason though. Your muscles popping on this fucking screen though.
Amazon.
Thank you for unboxing it with a real knife.
Not too deep. Bank?
We'll take it out, man.
Bank? Ooh! That's a decent size. That's a decent size. Ooh, it's green! It's a big fanny pack. Yo, that's dope. Very neon. You can see in the dark.
And then the extensions are in the front.
Where's extensions? Oh, like the dividers?
Yeah.
Nifty.
So you guys gotta go home and repack.
Actually, all my shoes are actually outside, so I'm okay. Well, I can take 2 bags, can't I?
Huh?
I can take 2 bags, right? Or
Yeah,
just one?
backpack and a carry-on.
This is a backpack? This is not a backpack.
No, that's a carry-on.
I already have a carry-on. And this carry-on's too small for my
That's
clothes.
no, that won't fit under a seat.
Ooh.
But it still fit within the top.
Yes, so that would be a carry-on.
What about a current carry-on?
Get rid of it.
Get a backpack. Small backpack.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it. Use this.
Fits. Because that fits all my clothes perfectly. That's a problem.
Well, this will do.
Depending on how you package it.
This is smaller. That's smaller.
Marie Kondo.
Fuck Marie Kondo.
Hey man, my mom packed 5 days worth of clothes in a backpack.
Well, it's doable, but just like.
And that's all she got.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was for Mikey.
I mean, like Corey can take the credit too, if that's how you're gonna play it. Hey Derek, if you're watching this, just a few quick words. Fuck you. But in all honesty, I know we do have a rough points and stuff like that. I am pretty hard on you. I'm not gonna deny that. But it's within reason though. I always joke around with you and stuff like that. But I always tell you this over and over again. If you ever needed something, I have your back. I know you're worrying about money and stuff like that in your career. Always say if you're on my team, you're on my team. I'm not gonna let anyone fall. So you got my back, I got yours. So right now I can only say just don't worry about the money. Because I know you're always stressing out by that kind of stuff. You know, you got a couple of things planned for what you want in your life in the future. But I'd say just don't worry too much about the money. Just keep working hard, keep putting in the work. Soon everything will fall into place. I am pretty sure you have all the tools and assets you have to get where you want to be. And without a doubt, I know you'll get there. So call it happy early birthday, whatever it is, just good gesture. Yeah, hope you enjoy this gift. See you in Formula 1. So today is the day we fly out for Formula 1. It is now roughly 8:30. I don't leave for another, fuck, I can't even do my math. 6 hours, so yeah, I gotta be there by 3 o'clock. Haven't even finished packing, but I just kind of laid everything out. But first, I gotta get some dim sum. Just to give you guys an example of what I'm packing. I got some shirts, socks, you know, some underwear, some shorts and pants. Some technology or electronics. My water bottle, this is pretty cool, collapsible water bottle. Give this a try. Formula 1 ticket, portable battery, some snacks. These are the fucking best. I love like really unsweetened gummy candies. Those things just go hard. And then some bathroom essentials. See if I can fit all into this.